Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. Today we are continue our TableView series with part 2. If you are new here, please check out the part 1 and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Firstly, we create a new project that named TableView Header Demo. Step 1. Define a model for section. This structure represents a section in the table view. There are three components: header, footer, and items. Header and footer is an optional string type, and items an array of items contain this section. Step 2. Define a clausor type for cell configuration. This type aliens define a clausor type for configuring. Step 3. Create a generic TableView data source. This class is a generic data source for TableView that handles sections and cells. There are properties, sections, an array of section structures, cell identifier. This identifier for cell reusable and cell configuration, a clausor of configured cells. Initialization. Take section, cell identifier, and cell configurations as a parameters. There are some methods like number of section that return the number of sections, number of row in section that return the number of row in the sections, cell for row at that dequeue a cell configurations. It is using the configure and return it. Step 4. Use the data source in the table view. The view controller set up and display the table view in the section. There are some steps like cell configurations, define a clausor to configure cells, define section, create section with the header, footer and items, data source, instance of table data source with the section cell identifier and cell configurations. Table view that create a table view, set up data source and register in the cell identifiers and reload data, cell reload data on the table view to ensure to display the data. Basically, this setup allows you to easily manage and display the table view with section, header and footer. The generic table data source class makes it reusable for different type of data and use of clausor for cell configuration. Keep the code flexible and clean. Stay tuned with upcoming video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.